So I don't know exactly what you want to call this. This is basically what I want to say, maybe a like an opalescent, iridescent, champagne kind of look to it with a cat eye undertone. We'll call it something like that. This is actually really, really easy. So let me walk you through step by step how I created this look. As you can see in this video, has a definite sheer look to it from Ugly Duckling number 330 OOTD. Really gorgeous, like champagne cat eye color right over here. I didn't do a base color. So this is going to be done on a clear tip, just as an FYI. And I know someone's going to ask, can you do this over a base color? Yes, you can. Just remember, if you do this look over a base color, it's going to change the look ever so slightly of this nail design. So just going to activate the cat eye. And when you get this cat eye activated, then you're just going to pop this in the lamp for a full cure. Once this color comes out of the lamp, you're going to go in with your second layer. Then we're going to go right back in and activate this layer with your magnet. And you want to get that like all over look to it. So that way when you go to put the chrome on top, everything, you'll be able to see the cat eye underneath. Just kind of take your time with this and just get the design that you are looking for before you pop this in the lamp. Just trying to get this one little corner to move how I want this. Right over there. Then I'm going to pop this right in the lamp. While that is curing in the lamp, these are the chrome powders I'm going to use. These chrome powders I recently got from Amazon. They did not come numbered and they did not come with a name. I'm going to put the information in everything I used. All the information will be listed in the description. I numbered these myself, so I don't really know the names of these. I think these were just like a random iridescent kind of collection. So from Ugly Duckling, I'm going to go in with their no wipe top coat. I'm going to put one layer of their top coat on, and then I'm going to put this in the lamp for 30 seconds. I'm just going to go in, just randomly place them on here. No particular order. Just go in with every single number like this. Make sure all the colors get on here. Once you make sure all of the colors are on here, then you're going to go in with your makeup wedge. And you're going to rub that on here. And then that gives you that really funky, like iridescent look to it. And then we're going to go back in with your final top coat. When you're done, here is what everything looks like. You basically can do this nail art any time of the year with any color background, any cat eye. This nail art is any time of the year, basically. Let me know if you like this, if you're going to try this. Everything I use will be listed in the description box below. and I will talk to you later, nail family.